fire, fire. Yes, I love playing with fire. Oh, the fire, the smell. The smell is so nice. Oh, fire. Let's play with fire. The smoke. Oh my god.
Hey, bro. Haven't your parents or teachers teach you that don't pollute the air?
But you know something, guys? Who are you guys?
So what? Who are we?
Mind your own business here.
This is not your business or my business. Burning is nobody's business.
Plus, taking care of the environment is everybody's business. Don't you know that Taiping is elected as the world's #3 most sustainable city in the world?
Okay, let's get out of the fire now.
Come on.
Come. Let us show you our innovation. Come on.
This is our innovation.
This is our innovation. So now we'll explain how this works. First and foremost, this is the base. The base has some space in between. In between the spaces, there's a vacuum inside. The vacuum will suck all the polluted air into it.
Secondly, the vacuum will remove the air through to the chimney, and there will be certain parts or layers which will filter the polluted air and purify the air, and the purified air will be released out to the
Thirdly, these are solar panels. Solar panels are generated from the sun. So the whole tower is generated by the solar power.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for the useful information.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have watched the explanation of the air purifier tower. Now, let us show all of you the materials we used to make it. The entire video is about our innovation to overcome air pollution, which is happening across the world. Our innovation, which is a result of our creativity and hard work, is an air purifier tower. The main benefit of the innovation is it can purify the polluted and contaminated air. Moreover, the tower is powered by solar panels. This type of energy is in the form of renewable energy. The nature warriors hopes and wishes that governments across the world will use our innovation to overcome air pollution effectively.